Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Isaac, and today I wanted to share with you guys another fun project that I recreated from the coding train. This time it's the sand simulation. It's a pretty basic concept, but still a lot of fun to tinker with. You can spawn some particles, you can remove them. This is basically it. I've been using a makefile for this, just because I found it much simpler. So yeah, you can pause and copy if you want. Let's move on to the code. I've set up some defines at the top here, so it's easier to tinker and change settings and just see different results. The screen width and height define the resolution of the window. The cell size is basically the sand particle size, so we're gonna have a predefined size for the sand. The rows and calls define how many grid cells fit in the window. The offset is just gonna help us center the grid inside our window, and the spawn radius is basically just to help us spawn a bunch of sand particles instead of one by one. We're using Raylib in this setup, so it's pretty easy to initialize everything. We just initialize a window, and after initializing a window we just set the target FPS, and then we're gonna create the grid. When we create the grid, we basically set every cell in the window to 0, so it's basically like undrawn, like inactive. Moving over to the process input function, we're just going to track here the left and right mouse button presses. Basically, on the left mouse button press, we're just going to spawn some sand and remove it on the right mouse button press. And what's actually giving it the simulation of falling is the simulate sand function. The logic behind this is actually pretty simple. We're just going to iterate through the grid and determine which sand particle can move. If a cell below it is empty, then move the sand particle. But if it's not empty, just try to move left or right. So yeah, this is basically it for the simulation. There's not a lot to it. You can expand on that and add fire and smoke maybe and more stuff to it. I'll leave a link in the description that uses JavaScript if I'm not wrong. You can use this code if you want as a starter and expand on it, put some more stuff onto it. Yeah, that's it. If you like this video and this short breakdown, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more fun videos. It'll help me a lot, and see you next time.